What people have a thing to say, you never see smoke without fire. And guess what? A true. A couple of water officials preached through Jamaica last week on what them call a routine visit. They claim that coming to Jamaica had absolutely nothing to do with nothing. But here how my mind works now. Anytime me see something happen, is something why that something happen. And nobody can tell me, say, that flurry of recent activity involving Jatco and some high-profile Jamaican athletes, starting with the whereabout rule violation case against Andre Russell, and them appeal against Russell's one-year ban, and then the cases of track athletes, Khalil Spencer and Riker Hilton, where the two Olympians were accused of evading Jatco drug testers. Nobody can tell me, say, there is no connection between that sequence of events and water officials coming here. It's either the water officials came here in response to the ants' nest that Jatco wake up, or Jatco wake up the ants' nest in anticipation of the water officials coming here. That would explain why Jatco been flexing their muscles to the max to make Bakra Master Sisse they are serious and good servants. And of course, Bakra Master was very happy with Jatco, saying, good job, boys. Keep them athletes in check. And some of them journalists who are run up their mouth, you must test them too. Anyway, with Jatco now getting the full blessings of water, the very serious question to be answered is Jatco working in the interest of Jamaica and Jamaican athletes, or are they working in the interest of Bakra Master? He's a coming master.